Jim, you eating a cookie?
A Newton is not a cookie, it's fruit and cake. Happy Fig Newton Day. To celebrate Fig Newton Day, I'm gonna make something special that I made up in my brain. I'm making a Fig Newton bread pudding. Let's make it. We'll start with 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk. Charles M. Roser was the creator of the fig filling. He sold his recipe to the Kennedy Biscuit Company. 1/2 cup of sugar. The company is located in Massachusetts, and they named their fig cookie after a town called Newton. They named other cookies in their company after other towns, including Beacon Hill, Harvard, and Shrewsbury. 2 cups of 1/2 and 1/2. Splash of vanilla. Some ground ginger. Some allspice. Whisk until blended. The cookie came to be in 1891, and it was created using a very special machine that was designed for this cookie. It worked like a funnel within a funnel with the jam center, and then you had that little cookie layer on top. Now I have my Fig Newton cookies. Well, actually they're the generic kind. I'm gonna be breaking these into that mixture I created, and then I'm gonna let that soak for about 15 minutes. Fig Newtons were actually one of the earliest cookie products that came to be, as well as one of the most popular. I'm going to pour my mixture into a prepared glass baking dish. And then I'll sprinkle on a little cinnamon sugar. I'm going to bake this in a 325-degree oven, and I'll check it at about 40 minutes. At one point, they dropped the word fig and they were just called Newtons, and they introduced new fruit flavors like strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, and apple cinnamon. It's out of the oven and it looks great. I'm gonna let it cool for a couple minutes, and then it's time to slice it and eat it. Looks pretty brilliant to me. Ready to taste this Fig Newton bread pudding. It's awesome. Great fig flavor. And I made it up myself. I really love it. Happy Fig Newton Day to you. If you want to see other unique, creative dishes, you can subscribe to my channel and see more. You can even click that notification bell and you can see them all the time. Thanks for watching Jim's Kitchen, and I'll see you next time. Last night I had a date. It was really sweet. Tonight I think I'm going to try a fig.